Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Snapchat avatar clothes or outfit. This is very easy, let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open Snapchat and tap on this clothes icon at the left bottom. After that, here you can see all outfits and clothes here. Here you have to select any cloth which you like. For example, I like this one, so I click on this. When you click on this, if you like this outfit, you have to click on this and select this outfit. After that, what you need to do, you have to click on top right save icon. After selecting the outfit, you have to tap on top right save button. When you click on this, in this way you can change the outfit of your avatar in Snapchat. You can also change the background of your avatar by clicking on background. Now here you have to select any background for your avatar. In this way you can change the background. After selecting the background, you have to tap on top right save icon. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.